हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक और यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 इंग्लिश वर्कबुक चैप्टर नंबर 9 डेजर्ट एनिमल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन एस आंसर। नंबर 1, gerbils spend the hottest parts of their day in cool underground burrows. There are 2,300 kinds of snakes around the world. Rattlesnakes are mostly found in the desert of America. Rattlesnakes kill their prey with their venom. A python can survive for a year or more without eating. Mongoose always keep a lookout for their predators nearby. 7 number, one of the following are amusing animal to watch. Mongoose. A mongoose kills a snake when the snake gets completely tired in their fight. The kittens of mongoose are raised in a den made inside an old termite mound. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. The desert camel with a single hump is known as dromedary. The hump of a desert camel is full of water. Question number 2, complete the incomplete sentence. Number 1, deserts are the places on the earth with no rain for months or even year. Most snakes lay eggs, but there are many which give birth to the young ones. When a rattlesnake is disturbed, it holds its tail upright and rattles the end. 4 number, the rattlesnake cannot hear the noise which its own tail makes. When the rattlesnake is threatened, it will coil ready to bite. Like most snakes, the rattlesnake hears things through vibration in the ground. The range where rattlesnake live spreads right across the America continent, each from Canada to Argentina. Mongoose give signals to one another by poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. 9 number, while fighting against a snake, the reaction of the mongoose is so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strips. Desert camel have long, saggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter, tidier coats to keep cool. The mouths of desert camel are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. Question number 3, true or false? All deserts are endless seas of rolling sand dunes. False. Frightening rattle of rattlesnake can be heard as far as 50 meters away. False. While rattling, these rattlesnakes hold its tail upright. True. Few snakes have to eat more than once a week. True. Mongoose travel in group of about 20. True. A desert camel gets all the moisture it needs from desert plant. True. The humps are the water container for desert camel. False. What place are desert on the earth? Deserts are the driest place on the earth. How do darkling beetles quench their thirst in desert? Darkling beetles are expert at catching drops of moisture on their leg. 3rd number, where are rattlesnakes usually found? Rattlesnakes are usually found across the American continent from Canada to Argentina. Why does a rattlesnake rattle? A rattlesnake rattles the end whenever it is disturbed. When can a rattlesnake not hear vibration? A rattlesnake cannot hear vibration. Its own tail makes. 6th number, give the name of variety of prey on which the rattlesnake feed. The rattlesnake feed on a variety of prey including mice, voles, rats, chipmunks, are many other small animals. 7 number, where are mongoose mostly found? Mongoose are mostly found in many parts of Africa. Name some creature that the mongoose feed on. Mongoose feed on beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. What do mongoose usually do while fighting with snake. While fighting with snake, mongoose usually dodge each time the snake strikes. What danger do mongoose always on the lookout for? Mongoose always keep a lookout for dangerous predator nearby. 11 number, why do a few male mongoose stay behind when others are on a lookout for food? When others are on a lookout for a food, a few male mongoose stay behind because to guard until the other return for the night. 12 number, why do camel have a tough mouth? Camel have a tough mouth so that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. इसी के साथ आपका ये पार्ट 1 फिनिश होता है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करके मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद जय भारत.